Ayun! Nakita mo yung dugo?
This was on the week Kuya Jojo and Kuya Joven built and installed my new kitchen cabinets. Like any build, when you hear this sound, there will surely be dust. And when there is dust, I surely need some help.
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
The kitchen makeover is not yet done. I still have to make some decisions on the upper cabinet. Kuya Jojo is also still doing several projects at my sister's house. After his work there, it will be my turn to have my kitchen refresh finished. But for now, let me show you all the dusting I had to do that weekend. I took the chance to attend to long-standing cleaning I badly needed to do, like bringing down dusty curtains which have been up since, well, many years. I bathed the windows. It was so satisfying to finally clear the view. Welcome back to my channel. I cleaned the ceiling beams and lights. In fairness, natanggal yung molds. I wiped, washed, changed, whatever was appropriate. Inspected everything and every nook. I have also washed the curtains and throw pillows and continued on. Until evening has come. Until I got so tired. But again, I had to continue on. I cleaned the white divider. And then it was dawn. I have been dusting till dawn. Thank you to my friends who are on call.
Hello, Ghostbusters.